Hercules.
Honey, you mean Hercules. I'd like to make some sweet music.
Our story actually begins long before Hercules, many eons ago. Back when the world was new, the planet Earth was down on its luck, and everywhere gigantic brutes called Titans ran amok.
It was a nasty place. There was a mess wherever you stepped,
where chaos reigned and earthquakes and volcanoes never slept.
Woo! Say it, girlfriend.
And then along came Zeus. He hurled his thunderbolt. He sat like those suckers in a vault. Their trash on his own stopped chaos in its tracks. And then the gospel child was too tight to just relax. And that's the world's first dish.
Yeah, baby.
Zeus take the globe while still in his youth. The honey it made seem impossible. That's the gospel truth. Another live this life would be as smooth and sweet as blue. Oh, the honey it may seem impossible. That's the gospel
Thank you, Yana. Number 277. Continues number 270.